Today we're going to be changing decimals into fractions. Let's start with the decimal 0.128. Now, to turn this into a fraction, what we need to look at is the position of the last number. Now, the 1 is in the tenths place, the 2 is in the hundredths place, and the 8 is in the 1,000ths position. So what we're going to do is we are going to ignore this part of the decimal, and we are going to put 128 over 1,000. Now we've turned that into a fraction, but we're not done yet because we still have to reduce. Now we can notice that both of these numbers are even, and so we can say that we can divide both the top and the bottom by 2, and we will end up with 64 over 500. We're still not done because both of these numbers are still even, so we can divide them again by 2. 64 divided by 2 gives us 32. 500 divided by 2 gives us 250. Once again, these are still all even, so we can divide by 2 once again, top and the bottom, and we end up with 16 over 125. There are no numbers that go into both 16 and 125, so we have changed 0.128 into 16 over 125. All right, let's try another example. Let's try 6.35. All right, so once again, we need to look at the position of the last digit. We have tenths and we have 100ths. So we are going to ignore this part of the answer, and we're going to put 35 over 100. Now, what number goes into both 35 and 100? 5 does. So we're going to divide both of these by 5. 35 divided by 5 gives us 7, and 100 divided by 5 gives us 20. There's no number that goes into both 7 over 20, so we're almost done. We just have to take this number that we had back here, our whole number, and put it right back in front of that fraction. So we've now changed 6.35 into 6 7/20.